Have you ever wanted to learn how to start video editing from scratch? Well, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're going to walk you through the beginner steps of video editing so you can start creating your own amazing videos in no time. The first step in video editing is selecting the right software. There are plenty of options out there, but for beginners, we recommend starting with free programs like iMovie or DaVinci Resolve. Once you have your software, the next step is to import your footage. This can be videos you've shot yourself or stock footage you've downloaded. Organize your clips into folders to keep everything neat and tidy. Now it's time to start editing. Cut out any parts of the footage you don't need, rearrange clips to create a compelling story, and add transitions between scenes. Don't forget about audio. Adjust the volume levels of your clips, add music or sound effects, and maybe even record a voiceover to enhance your video. After you're happy with the visual and audio elements of your video, it's time to add some effects. Experiment with color correction, filters, and text overlays to give your video that extra polish. Finally, export your video in the appropriate format for the platform you're going to upload it to. Whether it's YouTube, Instagram, or Facebook, make sure your video meets the platform's specifications. And there you have it, the beginner steps to video editing. With practice and dedication, you'll soon be creating professional quality videos that wow your audience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials on video editing.